Hey, how's it going, YouTube? I wanted to make this quick video for you guys to show you kind of some of the capabilities of Chat GPT and how we're using this right now to write better ad copy and really ad copy that converts inside of Facebook advertisement, Instagram advertisement, as well as in your CRM system, go high level. So I'm going to show you how to actually write this copy in a way that really portrays your industry, whatever you're in, your niche, and how to kind of simplify it and what to tell Chat GPT in order to make this happen. So I'm going to give you guys a quick prompt here. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is during the onboarding call or in your last conversation with your client, you're going to want to get some of the information from the client that they want their brand to portray, right? They want their specials to portray. So I got a bunch of keywords here that the client gave us to kind of let them know about what they're looking for and what they want the leads to kind of see in the ad copy and how they want it to be built and portrayed. So we have words like self-confidence, look and feel your best this summer, let us help you on your self-care journey. Again, I'm in the med spa niche, so that's why a lot of this stuff is all tailored towards the med spa, but you want to ask your client some of these key points of difference within their business and what they want to portray in their ad copy. And you definitely don't want your ad copy to be super generic. You want to have, points of difference because everyone sees ads all the time. You need to have a point of difference within your ad copy itself. We'll talk about, creatives in another video, and I'll show you exactly how to make those and how we make really nice looking creatives, honestly, just utilizing Canva. But I'll show you guys that in another video. Here, we're just going to talk about the copy. So I'm going to take some of these keywords and go into Chat GPT here and then start my copy. Obviously, you're going to want to outline your different offers that you're running for the client. For this client in particular, I think I'm running like 4 offers. So I'm going to lay those out here so you guys can see those offers as well. So I'm going to give you the exact ads that we're running, the exact offers that we're running, so you guys can see these as well. Alrighty guys, so here are my offers laid out here. $10 per unit wrinkle relaxer special, 50% off body contouring, $100 off microneedling, and a $139 new guest facial special. These are all new guest offers. These are things we're running right now. So I'm going to give ChatGPT a prompt based on my first offer here, and you're going to see exactly what it spits out in real time. So said, you are the client's name. Please write me Facebook ad copy in the tone of a world-class med spa offering premium med spa services. This offers $10 per unit wrinkle relaxer. And then I gave it some more details in terms of the theme and what type of things they should be saying in the ad. So I'm going to change this to look and feel your best. Yeah, this is fine. So let's see what it spits out. Okay, so this is pretty good. However, I'm going to say make it shorter and have the call to action be click the get offer button below to claim your okay. So I'm gonna give it a call to action and tell them to make it shorter. I don't like the emojis, so I'm gonna have it remove the emojis. Perfect, so I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna go back to my copy here. I'm gonna go down here, give it some space. I'm gonna write copy. Oh, I don't want it to be in that font. Little tip here, Shift Command V if you're on Mac, that'll paste it without any styles, right? So there's my copy. Just to organize this, you're gonna send this sheet to the client. This is how we send our clients everything for approval. We wanna send it in a nice editable Google document, that way the client can edit. So I'm gonna do headline description. All right, I'm gonna make all this look nice. So now we have our copy here. I'm probably going to edit that here shortly. But before I edit that, I'm going to say, write me 5 headline variations for the copy you made above. Perfect. I'm going to copy those, paste those back here under the headlines. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit these to make these better. So let's see what we like here. So unleash your summer glow, claim your $10 per unit wrinkle extra offer. Honestly, a lot of these are too long. So I would just say, I'm going to do a couple different headline variations. I'm going to make one really simple. Okay, I'm going to pause this and just edit them for you guys so you don't waste a lot of time here, but I'll show you kind of the edits that I made on these headlines. Alrighty, so I just made my copy here with my headlines and kind of how I edited this. So really, we don't want to make the copy too long. You can test out a longer copy versus shorter copy. However, we found that shorter copy tends to work a little bit better for us. So we have these 5 headline variations. So summer special, you guys can read through these. I'm not going to read through all of them. And then we have our ad copy here. So we basically just took Chat GPT, what they gave us, and made it a lot shorter. As you can see, changed a lot of things around just to be more specified towards us. But this is a huge game changer in terms of finding wording, finding things that you normally wouldn't say in your ad copy, and then switching that into things that you would say, right? And kind of combining the two, because you don't want to just use Chat GPT and copy the same thing. But you want to take those examples and things that you like from it and then really tailor it around your business and your client's business. So again, I'm going to do this with one more example so you guys can see. I'll do a body contouring one for you as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, as you can see here, here's my 50% off body contouring offer here. This is for Sculpt Neo. So as you can see, if I go back to what I asked it to do here, here's the copy it came up with. I changed it a lot. Asked for some synonyms for something I was trying to write to make better. And then I asked it for some headlines. And as you can see, I changed a lot of it. Again, you don't want to just be generic with the way you use Chat GPT. You want to use this as writer's block. You want to use this to come up with new things that you wouldn't say before. Uses really good words like embark, you know what I mean? Sculpted, transformative. A lot of good words that you normally wouldn't use probably in your vocabulary, and just really helps you out a lot. So this is really a great way to use AI to your advantage, to help you write things fast and for you to actually kind of wow your clients with the type of ad copy you're writing. Not only that, this ad copy should perform very well, especially if you rewrite it with kind of your background in marketing and the things that you know and kind of realize there too. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Leave any questions down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer those. And let me know what other videos you guys want me to make. There's a lot of things that I've developed within AI and how we do that within Go High Level and some more advanced training in your CRM. So if you're looking for that, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to make those videos for you guys. I'm going to start doing a lot more videos on these type of things, like the actual technical things of running an agency and how to actually do the work, so you can hand this work off to your team, make standard operating procedures, and kind of scale your agency in the best way. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if you guys need anything at all, hit me up in the comments. You guys can also email me. Looking forward to speaking with you guys. Awesome. Have a great day, guys.